look him in the eye, you hit him in the mouth, and you take what's yours.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When you want it,
Go get it.
Yeah. Let's go. Be great on 3. 1, 2, 3. Be great.
Ball, man. Another opportunity to be great. Another opportunity to play together, play hard. Defense versus gonna win. Together all night long. LP's on you. 1, 2, 3.
Clip them feathers right from the start. You gotta let them know it ain't gonna be that kind of party. You gotta rise up. Defense, get after Flacco and the rest of them boys. Sound the horn, beat the drums. It's time for the boom. Boom!
First place Minnesota Vikings football is in the air.
So Minnesota owns the 3rd down defense that is best in the NFL. They allow just 25% conversion. Flacco under pressure and going down.
Michael Hunter at the 17-yard line. Screen left to Rainey. Nope, doesn't work. Here comes the hit man, and he hits him and stops him at the 39-yard line. A loss of 5 yards.
Flacco for the screen. That's not going to work. Allen is decked by Anthony Barr.
Super Bowl 47 MVP goes out of the shotgun. Vikings blitz. Flacco hit. Flacco about to be destroyed, and he's down. 7 consecutive games. Only player in the NFL to do that.
There we go, out. Woo! Hey, that job. There you go, bud.
It's the 3rd tackle for loss today by Anthony Barr.
All day long, this Vikings defense has been on these screens, these misdirection plays.
Flacco under pressure again. On the move, from behind, lost the football. Everson Griffin. It's hard to keep your chin up when you're on the field in this position in the face of reality, isn't it? In a first half that has been largely defensive. The field goal contest continues.
Right-footed Kai Forbath kick is up, and it is good. And Kai Forbath is 6 of 6 kicking field goals today.
Gotta think it's important for Baltimore to establish some momentum. Flacco under pressure and going down.
A blitzing Anthony Barr buries Joe Flacco, and Sam Cook is in to punch.
What an outstanding call on defense is when you see a defender come in untouched to the quarterback, and that's not the first time that's happened with Anthony Barr today, but he finally gets to Flacco. That's just great preparation, great planning, and great execution. The Ravens offense ball, they're going backwards. Now get the ball around midfield, and let's get 7 on the board.
So now on first down at the Baltimore 29. Murray running room, left side, 10, 5, touchdown.
Latavius Murray's first touchdown with the Vikings kicks the lead to 18-6.
Well, he's been knocking on that door all day, and again, it's the inside run. Latavius Murray getting right up to the 2nd level, able to make the safety miss, and a big touchdown. So you talk about a play in a game where every yard's at a premium. Every single opportunity that you can get, you have to take advantage of. We've done that.
Yes! Don't finish this thing off! What I tell you, Bob? What I tell you? What I tell you?
All right, one more. Let's go. Let's go.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah. Not his tackle. When I seen him, I said, you can. I don't really ever do that.
And hit him with that power cut.
Everybody's got to roll. Keep going. You got a good feel. You're running good.
As the Vikings have won 3 consecutive games and remain kings of the North.